software. First we'll go to AutoCAD screen and then click on disable the grid mode and enable the ortho mode. Then go to command is limits. So specify lower left corner, which is 0, 0, upper right corner 297, 210. Then zoom all. Then go to line, select some arbitrary point on the lower left corner and click on first button of the mouse and drag the mouse to the right direction. And again you click on the first button of the mouse and then you take the mouse in the upward direction. Again click on the first button of the mouse for some distance and press enter key. Then go to offset, take the dimension of 297. So type 297 and select object to offset. You select this vertical line and offset to the left side. Then again go to offset, take the distance as 210. Select this select object to offset. You select the horizontal line and offset to the top side. Then go to zoom extends. Then zoom 0.6x. Then go to fillet between this line and this line. Similarly fillet between this line and this horizontal line and this horizontal line and this vertical line. Then go to zoom window. You select this and take it near to the screen and go to the text tab. Take the problem number 118. Take the specify height 4, rotation angle as 0. Type 118 problem. The front view of a rectangular lamina of sides 30 mm by 20 mm is a square of 20 mm sides. Draw the projections and determine the inclination of the surface of the lamina with HP and VP. Then go to zoom previous, then go to zoom window and go to layer. So click on new, type XY and press enter key. Then go to new layer and type views and enter. So set the layer 0 line weight as 0.05 and say OK. Set the layer XY line weight as 0.13 and say OK. Set the views layer line weight as 0.5. Then say close the layer command. Then go to draw a line, go to line command. First we are going to consider a horizontal line of some distance and take the vertical line of some distance and go to offset, take the distance as 30, select this vertical line, offset to the left side and again you take 20, offset, select this horizontal by 20 mm. Then go to fillet between these two and between this vertical and horizontal line, between this horizontal and this vertical. Then go to line command, draw a horizontal line and then again you take some distance and then you draw the one more horizontal line and go to line command, take intersection point of this and take perpendicular to this. Similarly line int of this and take perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two lines and also between these two lines. Then go to select these two and also these two. Then go to CH. Then go to layer, take this as a views layer and escape. Then switch on the line weight display mode. Then you want to have the square of 20 mm side. Then go to line, draw a horizontal line from here. Similarly, draw a horizontal line from here and take line, take nearest point on this and take perpendicular to this and then go to offset, take the distance as 20 mm. So from here you take 20, then go to fillet between these two and fillet between these two. Then go to extend, select this as the boundary edge and select object to extend edges. Then go to break, select this line, take fit F first point, select this and type at the rate. Similarly break first point, you take intersection of this and type at the rate. Then go to select this all the 4 lines and go to layer, click on views and so it will going to change this layer thickness. Then go to line, draw a line from intersection point of this and draw a horizontal line and go to line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this and then go to fillet between these two. Now we will go for line command. Draw a line from here and go to circle command. So now we go for DDIM, select modify and go to precision, you make it 0, and then angular you take it 0.00, and go to text, you take it as 4, aligned with the dimension line, centered become above, dimension from offset from the dimension line is 3, symbols and arrows you make it 4, and then go to lines, offset from the origin as 3, and say OK and say close. Then go to dim horizontal, you select this line and you take this 30 mm. Similarly, dim vertical, select this and you take this as 20 mm. So then go to circle, take int of this and take the radius as 30 mm. Then go to break this in anti-clockwise direction, and then go to erase, then go to trim, select this line at the cutting edge and trim it here. Then go to line, take intersection point of this and intersection point of this. Then go to select, go to layer and take views. Then you just group this, GROUP group, select object, you select this in a window, then enter. Then go to copy, select this and copy it here. Then go to line, take line, int of this and draw a vertical line. Similarly line, draw a vertical line, and from here you take int of this and take perpendicular to this, and then go to line, take int of this and say perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two, then go to trim it here. Then go to break this line first point, you take int of this and at the rate. Then go to break first point, you take intersection point of this and at the rate. And break first point, take intersection point of this and at the rate. Now again you break, select this first point, you take intersection point of this and say at the rate. Now you select these two and you select these two, go to layer, make this as a view. Then go to draw a line at x1 y1 line, take line, int of this and at the rate 100 less than minus 45. Then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw a horizontal line. Similarly line, int of this and draw a horizontal line, and from here you draw a perpendicular vertical line from here to here. Then go to line, take int of this and take perpendicular to this. Similarly go to line, take intersection point of this and perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two and fillet between these two and fillet between these two, then fillet between these two, and go to line, take intersection of this and take intersection of this. Then go to select, go to layer, make this as view layer, then go to break, select this line till here, then go to select this line till here, you select this line till here, and you select this line till here. Then you select this line and this line to make these two lines as layer XY. So then we need to write VP, HP and other things. So here I will go for dim horizontal. You select this line and take text, type SQ20, square of 20, and you select this and specify dimension line location, select this and you will going to get this. Then go to dim TAD, select this line, select this text and here, then go to dim angular, select between these two, so you are going to get it as 45.00. Then go to dim angular, select between this line and this line, so 41.81. Go to text, give space, enter, and here you take this. Similarly dim angular, select between these two, then go to text 48.19, then give space, enter, and place it wherever you want. DDIM, go to modify, go to precision, primary units, go to precision, decimal in degrees. So precision, make it 0 and say OK and say close. Once you do that, then go to dtext. So here you type capital X, you capital XY, capital X1, Y1, and then here VP. So you type VP here and you type HP here, and then here RPP will come here. Then you switch off the caps lock, A dash, B dash, then C dash and D dash. Then here AD, A, B, then come down to C and then come down to D. Then go to zoom window, select this, switch off the ortho mode. So move this X and move this VP somewhere here and move this HP somewhere here. Then go to A dash, go to B dash, go to C dash and you type D dash. Similarly A, then B, then C, then D. Then go to BC. Now you copy A dash, then B dash, this is C dash, and this is D dash. Go to copy, this is BC, this is A, and this is D. And here move B, and this is C. Now we go for copy. So we want A dash to be here, then B dash to be here, then C dash to be here, and this part is D dash. So it becomes here. Then similarly you go to dtext. So here you take A, you take B, you take C, you take D. So here dtext, select this, type 4, A, B, C and D and enter. Go to move, select this, move it here, D, then come down to C, then D. Then when you take this B dash double dash, so go to dtext, so type B double dash and bracket C double dash, then you take dtext, you take A double dash, then D double dash. So here zoom window and go to move, then A double dash, then D double dash, then go to move and place it wherever you want. Then go to M text. So here take the window, then go to Arial, take symbol, select this and type theta, Q, small q, enter. Then go to move this inside, then copy this, select this and place it inside, and go to theta, go to the edit, and here you type this as 5, enter. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing. Zoom previous and zoom previous. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing. And now we go for writing the answer. Go to dtext, type answer, and then go to line, draw a horizontal line by switching the ortho mode, click play. Go to offset, take the distance as 7 and you take this here, then go to fillet between these two, then go to line, take end point of this and end point of this, then go to offset and then go to 48.19 percentage D, then go to move, select this and place it wherever you want, then go to line, take nearest point on this and take perpendicular to this, then go to move, select this and similarly the text that will be equal to 41.81, and go to move, select this and move it here, switch off the ortho mode, move and place it, and go to zoom previous, then copy, theta will be 41.81, so theta will be 41.81 and phi will be 48.19, so the sum of these two should be always equal to 90 degree. So this is how you will be able to solve this problem, and then go to save, go to the appropriate directory, AutoCAD, go to lamina drawings, and here you type P118 and finally save it, and this is how you will be able to create a drawing. And finally